Hey guys, it's Jesus from LowCode Agency, and today we are going to review our template that we built for objectives and key results. This is a great template for companies that want to keep track of their employees and how they feel. So let's jump right in. The first screen is the sign up screen. So let's fill this out. My name, I can choose a profile picture. And let's choose my avatar. And then let's choose app developer. And then I choose the team I work for, let's say technology and product, and then take me in, right? So the first screen I have is my user profile. I don't have any submissions or priorities. Then I go to my submissions tab and I submit my report for this week. This template is for a weekly form that users are going to fill out. So it's me, Jesus, I'm an app developer for the technology and product team. And then how do you feel at work this week? So let's say 4, then I choose the next phase. Mark priorities from your past week as completed. I don't have any yet, but I can add new priorities for this week, right? So let's say I fill this out every Monday. So let's say add new, make video for OKR template. Now I do have a new priority for this week. Then next phase, what went well this past week or some wins you had. So we built the OKR template. What's your biggest challenge? My biggest challenge is getting you to. So next phase, and of course I can always go back and forward. And then here I can get to know someone else from my company. So let's choose Bruce. And then Bruce, let's meet for coffee to understand marketing. And then I can choose the date and time. So let's say Friday morning, 9 a.m. to 10. And then give a high five. So let's say I'm gonna give Soggy a high five. Great work this week. And then I click submit. So on my submissions, I see the submission that I made. Next week on Monday, so this resets every week, right? On Monday, the button will come up here again in the submissions tab where I can submit for next week. Then I have my tab where I have my high five. So I've given Soggy a high five. And then I have my coffee appointments with my team members. So in this case, Bruce and Jesus are gonna have a coffee on October the 16th from 9 to 10. And of course, you can zap these to their calendars. Now that I'm back in my user profile, I can see my information and I can see my latest submission and the priorities I have to complete and my coffee invites. Of course, the next week I fill out my new form, I can mark these priorities as complete and add new ones. Now I just added my email address as an admin. So this will be as easy as just selecting a checkbox in your user profiles. And I can manage my submissions from my employees or manage my users. For my users, I have a list of all of my users and I can add a new user as simply as adding their email address, their name, their profile picture, their position, their team, and I can make them an admin as well so that they can see everybody else's submissions. And for submissions, I can see all of my employee submissions grouped by week. And so let's say we check out Bruce, and then this is how he felt at work, his priorities for last week, for this week, his wins, his challenges, and then the coffee invites for whoever he decided he wanted to know better at the company, and the high fives he gave to someone else in the company. So This is a great way to track how your employees feel in your workplace and get them to know each other better with the coffees and the high fives, especially now with home office and work from home. So I hope you like this template. When you buy it, you get a PDF with the documentation on how everything works and instructions on how to set it up in your company. Hope you like it. If you have questions, go to lowcode.agency and talk to us. Thank you. Goodbye.